It is an educational video of class 8 by Patanjali Rishikul, Prayagraj.
Good morning to everyone. Good to see you all again. I hope you all are studying well at home. So let us begin with our continued chapter, and that is
Chapter 2, Land, Soil and Water Resources. Have you ever thought how difficult it is to live without water and food? What if the landslides and flood washes away the fertile soil, leaving the land unproductive and barren? These questions are alarming and make us aware how important these life-sustaining natural resources are. Land, soil, and water resources are the important natural resources as they provide the base on which other resources develop. So, in this video, we will discuss about the land resource. Land is the basic resource because we live on it. Land supports forest and pastures and provides the base for agriculture and various other human activities. And do you know, children, that 90% of the of the world population occupies only 30% of the available land area? Remaining 70% of the land is either sparsely populated or there is no life on it. It covers only about 30% of the total area of the earth surface and 70% is covered with water. You might know that land masses form only about 29% of the earth's surface. Moreover, all this land is not equally suitable for human habitation or economic activities. The reason is that land is unevenly distributed. It is mainly due to various characteristics because of its relief feature, its topography, due to which it is difficult for human life to thrive in these places, like low-lying area prone to waterlogging. Desert areas where water scarcity is a constant problem. Thickly forest area are among the sparsely populated area. On the other hand, the plains and river valleys offer suitable land, favorable climate and favorable climatic conditions, sufficient water for agriculture and other human activities. So, these are densely populated areas of the world. Let's see how land is utilized by people. Take a look at this picture. This is Salzburg in Austria. Can you see how the land here is used in many different ways? Take a close look. Use 1 for building houses, 2 for agriculture, 3 grazing animals, and so many more. So you see, plants are used for different purposes. Let me say it is uses for agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads, and even setting up the industries. And these activities are known as land use. So, depending on its characteristics of the land available for human use and the needs of the people, every country develops its own pattern of land use. So, let us see that what is a land uses. Its use is determined by its physical factors. Different communities have different land use pattern. Improper usage of land leads to long-term irreversible environmental problems like land degradation, landslides, land erosion, etc. And the best use of land use is land management practices must be efficient and eco-friendly. Appropriate land use control measures must be adopted. Land pollution and its exposure to industrial waste must be prevented or minimized. Ecological balance must be maintained along with industrial development. So, today we have discussed about one of the natural resources, that is land, in this video. Thank you.